I just got back from the grocery store, so I thought I'd give you a little haul of what I got. Strawberry, mango, blueberry. This was the last spinach they had and it's huge, but I'll freeze it if I don't use it all this week. Because guess who's leaving again? I got this rice paper spring roll. Turkey, boring, ground turkey. Mushrooms. I got a squash. I have a whole nother bag. Avocado, banana, Greek yogurt, eggs. Put these away. Alternative heavy whipping cream. I'm not really sure what's up with that, but I want to try and make a vodka sauce with this, tomato paste, shallots, and do it in the spaghetti squash with ground turkey. I was gonna make that for dinner, but I forgot I postmated a goop salad earlier, which goop is popular in LA, but it's not in New York. It just opened, so actually it is very popular. It's like impossible to get. So I ordered it much earlier and I put it in the fridge, and I mean, you can't really save a salad for multiple days, I don't think, so that's a bummer because the other thing sounded better. Here are the shallots. Cassava, I got a block of Parmesan also for the recipe. I got lemon, Japanese sweet potato, and fresh mozz. And then a tomato paste for the recipe I was just talking about. Okay, that's my grocery haul. Really exciting stuff. I think I might have this salad. I bought Remy's cookbook because I'm a fan and I love her. And I bought this because I support the queen in whatever she does, and also all her recipes look fantastic and I want to try them. Super easy slow cooker meatballs. I love meatballs. Okay, Goop opened like a week ago and this is actually like my third time ordering it. That's bomb. There's something like really, I don't know why that weirds me out about Goop's chicken, but I think it's fine. Dinner, first thing. My vanilla protein. I wet my rice paper roll situation. Fold it over. Okay, I'm back. I am so curious. I don't know how long it's been, to be honest. Can you see this? It's falling apart because it's stuck. It's pretty good. It doesn't really taste like mochi though. Maybe I need to let it thaw. This is truly one of the best things I've ever had. Wow. The almond butter is so good in it. You do have to let it thaw. This is my gym fit. Good morning. This vlog better be up within a week of my last vlog, and if not, I'm gonna be so mad at myself. It's 10 a.m. I'm going to the Aloe Gym at 11. I have a laser appointment today at 4:45 at 7. I want to edit a lot of footage I have from my shoot that I did for my own brand. I like kind of filmed the whole photo shoot, and I filmed like a lot throughout the years. Like even on my phone, I have a folder. June of 2024, this was almost 2 years ago. I don't want there to be another product like this on the market. So I've taken a bunch of shades and mixed them, and I'm gonna ship them to my manufacturer in Korea. Okay, so anyway, that was 2 years ago. Also 2 years ago, testing on my beautiful friend Damone.
Yeah. And even better, they buy both. Yeah.
And like me trying to explain how I wanted the shape. I was like, notice how that one dips. That one's like, that was me using Snapchat. So that's also from a year ago. This is also 2 years ago. Let's go to the gym, get a good workout in, have a great day.
3 more.
Going to the laser appointment.
Ground floor.
I'm walking to Happier Grocery after my laser. New York, baby. The laser was great, easy, quick, but I love the hot bar at Happier Grocery. It kind of gives Erewhon. I'm just gonna grab some dinner there because it's already 5 and I'm lazy and I want to watch my TV show. I got this for dinner.
Market, it'll be too late. I shoot you.
I'm about to make breakfast. I think I'm just gonna have a bagel with butter and some eggs. I did my walking pad this morning. I walked 10,000 steps while I watched my TV show. Here's my bagel. I really need to like clean. Like I got a bunch of clothing yesterday, gifted from Cezanne, which was so nice, but there's just a lot now and it's kind of everywhere and my kitchen's a little messy and there's matcha stains and you know, it's like kind of chaotic. I also leave again on Monday. I'm going back to LA to see Milo and for some work. I'm leaving the audio. Good morning. Today is so exciting. We're shooting for my makeup line that I'm launching very soon. The product is on its way to the US as we speak from South Korea. I'll see you guys at the shoot. I just wanted to give a little intro, but I do have to go. And also a big thank you for supporting me and for watching my videos because I always knew I loved makeup since I'm a little kid. I feel like I've always been watching my mom get her hair and makeup done and I would just sit as a child and like be in awe of like just the power of makeup and how a little bit can go such a long way. And then I started a YouTube about it. And then a couple years into YouTube, I did a palette with Sephora and really understood my love for creating a product and then seeing your response to it, creating something that actually works and is really great. I was like, okay, when I start my own, it will be something that is so good. It's just like undeniably good. And it makes you feel beautiful, but it also feels like you still. And here we are. I'm just very grateful to you guys for, I guess, allowing me to have that realization at such a young age. And now we're almost a decade later, 8 years later, and I'm very proud of what I've created. So, starting small, hopefully going to expand. Okay, I have to go. We're at the shoot for Opicala.
Stop.
Milo, it's your time to shine, babe. Will you guys come back and put your hands back in? Like, I wish I never cut my hair. That's a wrap on day one. We have day 2 tomorrow with the models, but I'm done. Good morning.
I look really good.
You done? Stop.
One person to be like
Totally. Oh, I'm freaking out. I think just half is perfect, just where you can see product. Gorgeous. Oh, so pretty on the eye. Oh. Wow. So cute. So cute. And then back to serving. Yeah. And then you make her laugh.
Yeah.
Wow. They all look so beautiful together too. I mean, they're obviously all just gorgeous girls, but.
Have to take picture.
I know, right? I know. Hey, Mom.
Really close, like you're in a bridesmaid's photo.
You been?
That's a wrap on the shoot for Opicala.